guys, Game here. Today I'm showing you some new fidget spinners,
Yeah,
and you probably saw how to make this one this morning, but you don't know how to spin it. Yes, you don't. Well, see the wheels? You put your fingers on the wheels and go like that.
Guys, I've got.
So that's the one I made this morning. You probably saw it, but this is it. Okay?
Yeah, but we've got
And
two new ones.
I'm going to show you another cool one, what I would like to show you. This one, it's a jagged wheel fidget spinner. It's my first time getting a jagged one.
I'll show you what this one looks like.
And that's just the same as the bit for my theme. Right.
That one.
Right. First I have to do
And
my...
that's the one it goes up.
Right, what was the theme again?
Dad, I'm just trying to turn my fidget spinner off. Okay, turn my fidget spinner off. See the light is funky.
Right, guys, but
See how we've got this.
you
What's
probably
that?
saw the theme. That the
See how
start
we've
of the
got two
fidget.
black ones.
Shut up!
That's the one we got today.
Right, so you probably saw this one this
Yeah.
morning.
Yeah.
I made it myself. And here's my new jagged green one.
Here's my new yellow one. And
You never got that on camera.
this is the
No, you.
a new yellow one.
No, get me, show them it. You're going too close. You're going like that. That is her go up. So this is my green one.
Oh.
I want to show you another
And
one.
this is my.
Here's my blue jagged one.
Well, I'm all kidding on. Come on.
No, it's not. They are tidied.
It's not time. I'll go in. Wait my hand.
Sorry about that, but this is the jagged fidget spinner what I have.
See how we've got more fidget spinners? They're the old ones.
Yeah, we're still showing you them.
Yeah.
And you saw some in the theme. You saw some in the theme.
You know.
Here is another glow up one.
Yeah. And here's one. It's like,
No, I'm showing one at a time. It's super cool.
this one is
Sure. Right, so
next successful.
no.
You do it.
Right, so
These
this one's called a finger spinner.
Yes.
And you do this,
And
and
then
then
it's on your finger.
that's what it looks like spinning.
Yeah, and there's ones like these. It has red bits or blue bits in the middle.
Right, so no, this one is my sister's one, my little sister Lola. And that's how it looks like spinning. And this is my finger spinner,
I'll put these
which
back.
has blue in the middle. It's so cool.
I'll put these back.
And it's,
See behind.
this is its spin.
I'm putting them all here. So is that being showed here? That's being showed. That's being showed.
So this is a red one,
The
but we lost the middle bit. So we just do this with it now. But when you would get these ones, they would have a middle bit. You usually get them in Roller Glen or Navs, whatever. But
or Gulzers.
lots of shops, a toy shop or something.
Here.
But you usually have a middle bit in this. Right here, but we lost that, so we use our finger and through the middle and go like.
Neon flips.
So this is a heavy one. It's called the flip spinner, and it has the rings, no bearings. But in here's the only bearing. In that yellow bit. See in that yellow bit in the middle? There's a bearing.
It's the same for the two blow-up ones.
Yeah. See this bit? There's bearings inside that, but the bearing with no protector, no black bit.
See how that's got,
So this is its
Like
spin.
this
You
is-
saw that in my novel.
this has got four bearings. Just got one in the middle.
Oh, the
Yeah,
fidget
so-
spinner has 4 bearings.
Except from this one, because that's only got one.
Yeah, every original.
And
So
these
this
ones,
is.
and these ones.
And I might show you how to make fidget spinners. Only one. Only one more. Okay, so